Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. Student, this is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is series. Subtopic is figures, and in this video we are going to see the solution for practice test IT 008. So the question number 1 to 15 are there, and the common instructions are there. In each of the following figure, there is a particular sequence. Okay, or we can say the series. In the series, something sequentially they are given. Identify the sequence and find out the figure in a place of the question mark from the alternative. Means from the options we have to choose the correct one, so that our sequence, or we can say the series, it should not be get disturbed. Okay, that will be continued. So question number 1 is here. Here the circle, here on a half of the circle, means horizontally there is a one line and two circles are made. Okay, so triangles are there at the top half, and at the bottom half there is a small two circles. Okay, here the three triangles and the two circles. In the next figures, 3 to 4 means one triangle is increases, as like same the circles from the 2 to 3 means one circle also additions. And in the next one also again one triangle with a circle additions. Okay, so there are the, in the third figure there are the 5 triangles and 4 circles. In a fourth figure there are the 6 triangles and 5 zeros, or we can say 5 circles. Okay, so the next one, this continue means one triangle and one circle has to be added. So in the next one, 7 triangles and 6 circles, means option number 3 is will be the replacing to the question marks, means that is the perfectly matching with our sequence. Okay, so option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 2, there are the 3 circles. Okay, all are the same arrangements, but the arrow is showing the something different directions. So there are the 3 circles having the 3 arrows, okay, respectively, but all have the same direction. So these 3 arrows are in the next figure turning to the this 45 plus 90 degree, means 135 degree turning, and now it's toward the direction of the means we can say the toward the down direction. Okay, in the next figure they are turning only 90 degree. Okay, means here 135 to 90 degree, means angle also reduced by the 45. So in the next one we have to continue this sequence with a minus 45. Okay, so after the 90, 45 degree has to be turn only. Okay, so this arrow will be comes to the only 45 turning. Okay, means like these directions. Okay, so this is given in option number 2. Now question number 3, here the 2 lines, 2 circles, 3 lines, 3 circles, now 4 lines, 4 circles, but the corner will always be moving, means in a clockwise direction. Now this corner, and then in the next one this corner, and now in this figure this corner means turning toward the, or we can say rotating wise. Okay, now in the next means on a question mark, the corner left bottom should be there. Okay, so left bottom and with a this 5 circles. So 5 means this option number 3. Okay, and 2 also, but the lines here 4, so 5 lines will becomes on a question mark. So 5 lines mean 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so option number 2 is the correctly. Let's see in option number 3, there are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines are there. Okay, but we require the 5 lines. Okay, so option number 2 is the perfect, or we can say correct to the series or sequence. Now question number 4, here the 4 dots. Okay, now it turning to the side, means clockwise rotations. These 4 dots it turn to the 90 degree, means this side, but one will get reduced. Okay, again with the 90 degree means clockwise directions, one get reduced and the 2 dots are mentioned. So in the next one only one dot there, but after the 90 degree rotation in clockwise means this left side, that should be. So one dot means option number 4 is the perfectly given. Now question number 5, here 4 lines, after this one line added. So in the next figure one line at the bottom added. Okay, so after this one only one line has to be added. Okay, so this same figure will be moved here. Okay, but only one line. So if you compare option number 2 3 and 4, this our figure is inside that one, but the one line should be added. Okay, now here id horizontal one line is there. Okay, means this option 3 is the perfectly. Option number 2, here vertical also and horizontal also added, means directly 2 lines added as per this previously one. So this should not be our sequence. So option number 3 is perfectly matching with our sequence or series. Now question number 6. Now here four quarters of the square. Now here one triangle, and in the next figure that triangle is moved to the directly opposite of the quarter. Okay. Again in the next figure that comes to the opposite of this previous positions. Okay. Now this is the previous positions. Now that turns to the opposite, means here. Now in the next one again that will turn to the opposite, means like this one, second figure. So that will be the same or similar with the second figure, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 7. Now in all the figures if you see, the triangle position in a quarter of this circle are same. Okay, it is not moving or it is not replacing someone else. Okay, so triangle should be there continued. Okay, and that is mentioned in option number 2 and 3. Okay, so now let's see for the square. Now here square is in this quarter, that moves to the next quarter, again that moves to the next quarter, means moving is a clockwise direction. Now after this figure that moves to the this left side bottom. So in the next, for the question mark replacing figures, that should be in this quarter. Okay, means option number 2 is a perfectly matching with the series. Now question number 8. Now horizontally one line and here the intersecting two lines, means one line by two lines. Now in the next one two line by three lines, again next one three line by four lines. So in the next one four line by five lines. So in a replacing for the question marks, four line multiply by or intersecting with the six lines. So sorry, five lines means 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so means option number 2 3 and 1, either this one. So let's see the intersecting lines, six lines should be there. So here the four, so option number 2 should not be there. Now here 1 2 3 4 and 5, so option number 1 also should not be there. We require the six lines, and six are given in option number 3. Now question number 9. There are the plus signs, or we can say the quarters coordinations. So in this quarter the triangle is there, that moves to the next quarter, means like a clockwise directions. Again here. Okay, so after this one it will move to the this quarter, means this one, option number 2 is a correctly one. Now question number 10. This triangle, two triangles are connecting with the line, vertical line, that are the same figure. Okay, so that should be continued. And horizontally here one small circles, here also one small circle, mean left and right. In the next figure right side one circle added, and in the next figure left side one circle added. So after this one the left right side one more circle should be added, means option number 1 is a correct. Now question number 11. Now in this one the position, we can say the dot in a circle and the plus sign in a circle, that this plus sign is moving here this diagonally and this dot is moving in this direction. Okay, so that in the next figure if you see, as per the comparison with this figure, the dot is here toward the middle and the plus sign also moving here, and after this one this plus sign is moving here and the dot is moving here, means the direction of the traveling we can say the same. So in a replacing of the question, the figure should be like this one, means option number 4. So it will matching with our dot in a circle and the plus sign in a circle. Okay, now means they are traveling toward the another, or we can say opposite vertices. So this plus sign is traveling to the diagonally, means here this is a perfect, and dot in a circle also traveling to the this vertices, means this figure is perfectly. So the option number 4 is the perfectly matching with our sequence. Now question number 12. Now here one horizontal arrow, or we can say the line, both sides the arrow is there, and there are the two stars below that one. In the next figure, so line is coming to the middle and the star is moving to the upper one. And in the next figure again the star line is moving to the bottom and the bottom star is moving to the upper one. So in the next one line is again moving to the upper, means line moves from the sequentially from the top to the bottom and again from bottom to the top. So to replace the question mark, so this line should be the on the top, means like a same this figure. Okay, figure number 1, and that is mentioned in option number 3. Now question number 13. So here rectangular, then this circle, and then triangle. But triangle is a solid at the bottom. After this one, the triangle is at the top one, means triangle is moving to the top one. So this two will move to the downwards. So circle will at the bottom side. But that when it comes to the bottom, it makes the solid, or it convert to the solid. Okay. So circle now here solid. Again in the next one, this circle is moving to the top one and it makes the hollow. Okay. After this one, this rectangular moves to the bottom and it convert to the solid. So to replace the question mark, again we have to move this rectangular at the top one. Okay. And this triangle should be moved to the bottom, but it should be the solid. So solid triangle is mentioned in option number 3. Okay. And this rectangular is moving to the top one, means here. Okay. Means same like this figure. Okay. So option number 3 is a perfectly matching with our series or sequence. Now question number 14. In a triangle here, one vertical line. In the next one, 2. So in next one, 3. So of course to replace the question mark, there are the 4 vertical lines, means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So option number 3 is the perfectly matching. Now question number 15. Here the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 lines are there and that is connected to the 3 dot to the 3 dots. Okay. In the next figure, one line is vanished from the right side. Okay. Another next figure, again one line is vanished. Okay. Means total 2 lines vanish up to here. So to replace the question mark, again we have to make the vanish of the one line from the right side. Okay. So this line should be vanished. So only this vertical and this tilting line should be there, means option number 3 is perfectly matching with our series or sequence. Option number 2, the lines are there but the dot are missing. Here the third dot is missing. Okay. So this option is incorrectly. So option number 3 is a perfectly, or we can say the correct for question number 15. Thank you.